Hi everyone. Today, Saturday, we have this open house in West Boca. It's called Village of Boca Barwood. It's a 3, 2.5, one-car garage townhouse. And this community is located at 18th between Lyons and 441. The zip code here is 33433, which gives you access to excellent school area that we have. And we're coming here now into the front door. And there we have Eddie. Hi, Eddie.
How are you?
Great, thank you. So what can you tell us about this?
Well, take a look. We have, as we come in, a half a bath. And then to your right side, Astrid, the owners are actually, this is the garage, one car garage, really big. The owners are actually using as an office for the husband. That's the reason why we're having them relocate. As you come in, you see the laundry room.
We have our
Washer
laundry.
and dryer. The machines are Bosch. Very nice machines. Astrid, the machines over here are Bosch.
Good brand, yes.
Excellent brand. Water heater is in very good condition. Almost relatively new. And then we have the kitchen, very open, great room.
Crown molding, all the appliances.
All white appliances.
And goes right into your
Dining room area.
Dining.
Living room area. Look at that view.
and living. As another bonus, you have
yes.
storage under the stairs, which is very useful.
I won't open it. I don't want to scare anybody. Let me just open the door for you over here.
The right one. Okay, and we have come to this great Florida room area, sitting area, where you can have your barbecue grill. You can enjoy the peaceful views of the canal in the back. As I said, it's a corner unit, so it gives us plenty of light during the day. Looks like we may
We
have,
have a little bit of overcast today, as you can see.
yes. But it is Florida and we need our water to keep our plants green. Coming back into the house, we try again
Another view
our
from this angle.
living, dining, and you have, it's like a great area, right, Eddie? You can
Great
just, this
room.
is a great
Great
room.
room with crown
That's
molding.
right, crown molding.
All tile on the first floor.
There is no popcorn in the ceilings. You do have crown molding. And now,
all tile on the first floor. Which
Right.
is great. The stairs, as you can see, are also without carpet. They actually are wood floors, and the owners put
this
extra
steps,
carpet into
this is just
protection.
for protection for the wood, but you have all these nice laminate
Wood
floors on the stairs.
As we come in to the landing, we have the bathroom on the front, and to the left is the master
This is
bedroom
the
this way, Astrid.
second full bath, and this will be our master room here. We have
Nice walk-in closet,
walk-in closet, your sink,
and then you have a really nice view. Let me open this while you show that over there.
and it is a pretty good sized room. You have high ceilings, and from here you can enjoy a nice view of the water and greenery.
Did we point out that the master bathroom has a shower?
Yes, there is a shower, and in the second one it was a tub. And here our AC unit is it's about 4 years old. Again, another view of the second bathroom. And
Linen
this is a
closet.
linen closet. This is one bedroom here.
Nice size bedroom, Astrid. Good size, and then nice closets as well. It's a
Okay.
really nice location, first of all.
It's a great location, and you have great schools that use this 33433 zip code. And this will be the third bedroom. Okay, and then we have
With a
the
walk-in
closet
closet.
here,
That one is a
right?
walk-in
And there's a little niche here on the side. So
Oh, no carpet anywhere. as
no
you can see.
carpet, that's right. So great location, great townhouse, 3, 2, 1.5, one car garage, corner unit. Maintenance fee is $275 a month. It is an HOA. It's not a condominium. It is a homeowners association, right?
Give us a like on, and let us know that you guys are there. And thank you so much for being with us, joining us for this virtual open house. Remember, this is also a personal open house, and we're open
From 1 to 3.
From 1 to 3. So, thank you so much. Say hello, Astrid.
¿Cómo se cancela? Cancela. Hi, everyone.
So,
Give us a call about this house. It's a great opportunity. The price is $290.